Hurricanes are powerful storms, they bring strong winds and heavy rain, but did you know they also cause the sea to rise? This rise in sea level is called a storm surge. It's like a giant wave pushing water onto the land. Storm surges are very dangerous. They can cause terrible flooding and damage. Imagine a wall of water several feet high crashing onto the shore. That's what a storm surge looks like. It can flood homes, businesses, and entire cities. It can uproot trees, topple buildings, and wash away roads. Understanding storm surges is crucial for staying safe during hurricanes. How do hurricanes create these monster waves? It's a combination of wind and atmospheric pressure. Hurricane winds are incredibly strong. As they blow over the ocean surface, they push the water forward. This creates a bulge of water, adding to the surge. But that's not all. Hurricanes also have low pressure at their center. This low pressure acts like a vacuum, pulling the sea level up even higher. Combine this with the wind-driven surge and you have a recipe for disaster. The shape of the coastline and the ocean floor can also influence the height and power of a storm surge. Several factors contribute to the formation and intensity of storm surges. The most significant factor is the hurricane's strength. Stronger hurricanes with faster wind speeds generate larger and more destructive surges. The size and forward speed of the hurricane also play a role. The angle at which the hurricane approaches the coastline is another crucial factor. A direct hit, where the hurricane's eye makes landfall perpendicular to the coast, causes the highest surges. The shape of the coastline can also amplify the effects of a storm surge. Shallow coastal waters and gently sloping shorelines allow the surge to travel further inland. Hurricane Katrina, in 2005, unleashed a devastating storm surge on the Gulf Coast of the United States. The storm surge, reaching over 20 feet in some areas, overwhelmed the levees protecting New Orleans, Louisiana. The city was inundated with floodwaters submerging homes, businesses, and entire neighborhoods. The human toll of Katrina's storm surge was immense. Thousands of people were displaced from their homes, and the city suffered billions of dollars in damage. The storm surge's impact on New Orleans serves as a stark reminder of the destructive power of these events. Section 5. Sandy's Scars, when the Atlantic roared in the east. In 2012, Hurricane Sandy wreaked havoc on the eastern coast of the United States. While not as powerful as Katrina, Sandy's massive size and slow movement resulted in a prolonged and destructive storm surge. The surge inundated coastal areas from New Jersey to Massachusetts, causing widespread flooding and damage. New York City in particular felt the full force of Sandy's wrath. The storm surge flooded subway tunnels, crippled transportation systems, and caused widespread power outages. The storm's impact highlighted the vulnerability of coastal communities to storm surges, even in highly developed areas. Section 6. Irma's impact islands braving nature's onslaught. In 2017, Hurricane Irma, one of the most powerful Atlantic hurricanes on record, left a trail of devastation across the Caribbean. Irma's catastrophic winds and record-breaking storm surge caused widespread damage to islands like Barbuda, St. Martin, and the Virgin Islands. The storm surge, reaching over 20 feet in some areas, flattened homes, uprooted trees, and tossed boats ashore like toys. Irma's impact on these island nations underscored the particular vulnerability of small island developing states to the effects of climate change and extreme weather events. Section 7. Preparing for the deluge, steps to weather the storm. In this chapter, we will guide you through essential steps to ensure your safety and the safety of your loved ones when a hurricane is imminent. When a hurricane threatens, preparation is key to staying safe. Taking proactive measures can make a significant difference in minimizing damage and ensuring your family's well-being. First and foremost, heed all evacuation orders issued by local authorities. These orders are given for your safety and should be followed without hesitation. If you live in a low-lying coastal area, have a plan in place for evacuating to higher ground. Knowing your evacuation routes and having a destination in mind can save precious time. Secure your property by boarding up windows, bringing loose objects indoors, and trimming trees near your home. These actions can prevent debris from causing further damage during the storm. Prepare a disaster supply kit that includes food, water, medication, flashlights, batteries, and a first aid kit. This kit should be easily accessible and ready to go at a moment's notice. Keep important documents such as insurance papers and identification in a waterproof container. This ensures that vital information is protected from water damage. Stay informed about the hurricane's track and intensity by monitoring weather reports from reliable sources. Regular updates can provide critical information on the storm's progress and any changes in its path. Finally, discuss emergency plans with your family. Make sure everyone knows what to do and where to go in case of an emergency. Practicing these plans can help reduce panic and ensure everyone stays safe. Section 8. Evacuation essentials. When leaving is the only option. In times of crisis, knowing what to do can make all the difference. If an evacuation order is issued, don't hesitate to leave. Time is of the essence, and every second counts. Your life and the lives of your loved ones are more important than possessions. Remember, material things can be replaced, but lives cannot. Pack essential items, including clothing, medication, important documents, and valuables. Make sure to have enough supplies to last several days. If you have pets, ensure they are properly secured and have their own emergency supplies. Don't forget their food, water, and any medications they may need. Turn off utilities such as gas, electricity, and water before leaving your home. This can help prevent further damage and ensure safety. Follow designated evacuation routes and avoid flooded roads. These routes are designed to get you to safety as quickly and efficiently as possible. If you are driving, have a full tank of gas and be prepared for heavy traffic and road closures. Plan your route in advance and stay informed about road conditions. Seek shelter at a designated evacuation center or with friends or family members who live in safe locations. Ensure that your chosen shelter is outside the danger zone and has the necessary facilities to accommodate you and your loved ones. Section 9. Knowledge is power. Respecting nature's fury. Storm surges are a powerful reminder of nature's fury, showcasing the immense power and unpredictability of the natural world, and the importance of respecting the forces of nature. Observing from a safe distance, we can truly appreciate the raw power and potential for destruction. By understanding the science behind storm surges, heeding evacuation orders and listening to experts, and taking appropriate safety precautions, such as boarding up windows and preparing emergency kits, we can minimize the risks posed by these destructive events. Using sandbags and other flood prevention measures can significantly reduce damage. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to staying safe during hurricanes. Public service announcements and expert advice are invaluable resources. Let us work together to build resilient communities that can withstand the impacts of future storms, ensuring that our infrastructure is strong and adaptable, and protect lives and livelihoods. Community efforts in recovery and rebuilding are crucial for bouncing back stronger. By respecting the power of nature and taking proactive measures such as attending educational sessions and staying informed, we can navigate the challenges posed by hurricanes more effectively and safely, and create a safer future for all. Community planning and preparedness are key to resilience and safety in the face of nature's fury.